If you're a little overwhelmed by all the drywall tools out there and you're looking for a simple list of the recommended essentials, you've come to the right place. Now, we're going to get to the complete list in a minute, but first, if you're just looking for the absolute bare bones essentials and materials to make a small drywall repair, say something like a hole caused by a doorknob, you can just pick up this wall repair patch kit, which has everything you need, including instructions for that repair. Find it on hydetools.com or just click the link. Now, let's say you're just starting out in the painting and drywall business, or you're a homeowner eager to tackle projects yourself. The most essential tool is the tried and true joint knife. You'll be using this tool on every job, from the smallest repair to complete remodels, so it should be high quality and built to last. There are tons of joint knife options available, but the most versatile knife is a 6-inch wide knife with good flexibility in the blade. Now, this Super Flex stainless steel 6-inch from Hyde has great flex, so it's forgiving for beginners, and pros like it because they have a lot of control to feather the edges on their passes. The Superflex blade is stainless steel, so it won't rust, and the ergonomic handle is non-slip and comfortable to prevent hand fatigue. It's also guaranteed forever, so if you only have one knife for the rest of your life, this is it. After you've bedded your tape and maybe done a second coat of mud with your joint knife, you'll need a wider taping knife to properly complete your finish coats. Now, the taping knife isn't as much of a workhorse as your joint knife, so you can pick up one of these less expensive value series taping knives. They range in width from sizes 6 up to 14 inches, but a 10-inch like we've got here is going to be your most versatile purchase. These knives are unique because they have an angled handle, so on this side you have less of an angle, which is good for applying your mud. And then if you flip the knife over, you now have a steeper angle, which will remove more material when you're feathering in your joint lines. Now, every drywall job requires something to hold your joint compound. Some pros like to use a hawk, but as a beginner, you should start with a mud pan. Hyde carries an inexpensive plastic pan with a durable metal edge, or you could upgrade to the full stainless steel pan. Something the pros almost always do is mix their mud before applying to get a nice creamy texture that goes on smooth without any air bubbles. While you could mix by hand with a joint knife, it can make a mess and it takes a while, so pick up one of these Mudslinger power mixers. It attaches to any drill and it's designed to fit in a mud pan. Those are the main tools you're going to need for a drywall job. The supporting cast you're going to need on hand are a utility knife with spare blades, a jab saw for cutting around outlets and fixtures, and a sanding sponge. Now, sanding can get messy with all the dust that's created, so if you want to upgrade, consider the dust-free sponge sander. This tool attaches to your wet dry vac to eliminate dust. Thanks for watching. You can find all these must-have tools for the beginner drywall finisher and more at hydetools.com. Good luck with your project.